Hello, I'm David Coates, and today I'm going to show you how to control a drone from C# code. Over here, I have an AR Parrot, AR Drone 2.0 by Parrot. You can see that all engine lights are green. It's passed its self-check. Oh, it just went red, I think due to the tilt. Let's hope it resets. We can take off the styrofoam bumper. You can see the drone itself. We might need to reset. That's as simple as just disconnecting the battery and reconnecting. So let's do that. So after connecting the battery, the engine lights are red. We should hear it. There it goes. Tests each engine in sequence, and then the engine lights go green. I put the styrofoam bumper back on, and the drone's now ready. Let's go over to our laptop. Here we have some C# code downloaded from a beautiful GitHub repository, AR Drone by Ruslan. This program worked right out of the box. No credit goes to me, all to the GitHub masters. Let's try starting it up. First, we need to connect to the drone's Wi-Fi network. There it is, AR Drone 2. We connect. Unlike the 3D robotic solo drone, wherein you can connect your laptop to the drone's Wi-Fi network, then the drone will connect to your home Wi-Fi network, thus giving your laptop internet access while connected to the drone. The Parrot drone is a bit simpler and thus has its own dedicated Wi-Fi network. It doesn't act as a switch. So we can't access the internet, but we should be able to access the drone Wi-Fi. We have our AR Drone project straight out of GitHub, fresh from checkout. We start it and it works. A few buttons of note here. We have activate. That should start it up. We should begin to see video. Aha, indeed, there's video. As you can see, it's the same view as we saw, as we would see if we got a drone's eye view of our floor over there. We can take off. After takeoff, it will just hover. The hover button is important. That's sort of a null setting. It won't go left, it won't go right, forward, back, up, or down. It'll just simply hover. After takeoff and it enters a hover mode, it has kind of sticky controls on the different buttons. For example, if we were to tell it to turn right, it would continue turning right until we tell it to hover. Hover is, again, the null setting. Let's give it a try. Ready or not? Take off. As you can see, there it goes. It's hovering. Let's tell it to go up a little bit. As it continues drifting up, we'll tell it to hover. As it hovers, let's tell it to turn right. Interestingly, that control seems to be the opposite. It doesn't really hover so well. Oop, let's send it back to hover. Oh dear. Send it left. Oop, let's send it right. Seems to be making good use of that bumper. Oh! And in this case, we might want to have an emergency. Pretty exciting. That's all for now, folks.